Kia Niro versus Kia Stonic full comparison. Most people get this wrong, but the Kia Niro and Kia Stonic are very different vehicles, despite both being compact crossovers. You won't believe how distinct their performance, comfort, and efficiency really are. Starting with performance, the Niro focuses on efficiency and hybrid technology. The latest 2025 Niro offers a hybrid powertrain with around 139 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, averaging up to 50 miles per gallon combined. The Stonic is lighter and more agile, powered by a 1.0 to 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine producing up to 120 horsepower. It's superior in city driving, but less efficient than the Niro. Interior comfort favors the Niro. It has a spacious cabin, more legroom, and advanced infotainment systems. The Stonic is smaller, more maneuverable and ideal for urban environments but sacrifices some passenger space. Safety features are similar in both, with lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control available. Cargo space is better in the Niro, making it suitable for families or weekend trips. In conclusion, choose the Kia Niro if you want efficiency, space, and hybrid technology. Choose the Kia Stonic if you prioritize city agility, lower price, and compact size. Both are excellent, but your driving needs will determine which is better for you.